Tired of seeing random news on your lock screen? Don't worry, it's not hidden. It's just called wallpaper carousel in your settings. Let's turn it off in a few easy steps. Unlock your phone, open settings, and tap on always on display and lock screen. Inside this menu, scroll until you see wallpaper carousel. This is the feature that rotates wallpapers and sneaks in news and content on your lock screen. Tap Wallpaper Carousel and at the top, switch it off. If you see options like Lock Screen Magazine or Stories, turn those off too. Once it's disabled, you'll only see your chosen wallpaper, no more ads, no more random headlines. If news still slips in, go back to Settings, Notifications and Control Center, Lock Screen. Here you can toggle off notifications for apps like Google or Glance that may still push content. And that's it. Your lock screen is now clean, no more distractions. Just your wallpaper. Try locking your phone right now and enjoy the clutter-free look.